or desperate moves. I'm talking about psychological tactics. Subtle, powerful moves that trigger deep emotional attraction. Today, I'll show you how to get inside her mind and stay there. Number 1. The power of mystery. Humans crave what they can't fully understand. So don't overshare. Keep a part of yourself in the shadows. Be warm, but slightly unpredictable. Let her wonder where she stands. When someone's not easily figured out, we obsess over them. Number 2. Emotional roller coaster. Stable is safe, but emotional variety? That's addictive. Mix light teasing with genuine compliments. One moment, be playful. The next, drop a serious look and say something real. This creates a dopamine loop. She'll keep chasing those highs. Number 3. Purpose over pursuit. Stop chasing. Be the man with purpose. Women are drawn to men who are driven, not desperate. When you become the center of your own world, she'll want to orbit around you. Your body talks before your mouth does. Take up space. Move slowly. Speak with certainty. When you command your environment, you become magnetic. Number 4. Mirror her, but not too much. Subtle mirroring builds subconscious trust. Match her tone, her energy, her body language, but keep it natural. When she sees parts of herself in you, she connects. And when you pull back, just a little, that connection intensifies. Number 5. Be her escape. Most people are bored, distracted, drowning in routine. You? Be her escape from that. Be fun. Be unpredictable. Be real. If she feels more alive around you than alone, she'll crave your presence. But here's the secret. You don't force obsession. You inspire it. By being rare. By being valuable. By becoming the type of man she doesn't just want, but needs to figure out. And power? It's best handled with caution. Use this wisely. Attraction is chemistry. Obsession? That's psychology. Want more psychological secrets? Subscribe. This is where the mask slips.